Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you the Ultra HD quality video editing tutorial using CapCut. So if you want to make your videos look super sharp and cinematic in 4K or even 8K Ultra HD, here I'm going to show you how you can edit and export high quality 4K and 8K videos easily using your CapCut video editor. So here you'll learn the exact settings, the color corrections, and effects that editor use to make their clips look crystal clear. So now you can just open CapCut and tap on new projects, open your video. Okay, so here is the video that I want to edit, and now you can just click on overlay, add overlay. So in here I'm using this as the overlay. Don't forget to adjust the duration. Now just scale the overlay until it covers all the clips. Swipe until you find the splice option. Choose overlay and adjust the intensity. I'm going to go with 80. Hit on a check icon, and now go to the effects menu, video effects, and find the HDR2 effects in here, this one. Hit on adjust, and you can follow my settings. So set the glow to 0 and range 100. The size set it to 30 and the sharpness 50. The atmosphere, lower it to 30 and set the blur all the way to 0. And for the speed, just leave it as it is. Now hit on a check icon and don't forget to adjust the effects for all of the clips. And that's it. So this is the preview. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. If you want more videos like this, just drop a comment below, and don't forget to click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.